Hello, and welcome to the Monoprice Test Lab. My name is Dimitri, and today we'll be unboxing the new Monoprice Cadet. Let's go ahead and open up the package and lay out all of our components to ensure that we have all of the necessary items. If any parts are missing, please contact our product support team for further assistance. Inside the package, we have a set of 4 hex wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, M6 nozzle, micro SD card with SD card reader, USB cable, AC power adapter and power cord, glue stick, sample filament, quick start guide, and lastly, the thank you card. The MP Cadet comes with its own slicing software, WeBuilder, but it is possible to go ahead and use Cura. A QR code link for the full manual will be found on the removable sticker on the printer itself and inside the quick start guide. The Cadet features auto bed leveling with an inductive sensor. It also has a removable and flexible magnetic build sheet at a size of 100 by 105 by 100, making it a small footprint and great for a desk or office. There's also an easy-to-use quick-release nozzle assembly, making it ideal for schools and home use. You will need to go ahead and remove the foam block inserts from in front of the printer. In the rear, you will find 2 more foam blocks as well. While in the rear of the printer, rotate the Z-axis coupler to raise the extruder assembly and remove the last 2 blocks from underneath the bed, keeping everything safe. Looking through the front opening of the printer, you will find the PTFE tube connected to the bowden on top of the extruder assembly, but not connected on the other end. Push the tube up and through the top of the printer's opening to connect the PTFE tube to the bowden on the side of the printer for your filament feed. Now, we should go ahead and power on the Cadet. You will be greeted with the setup wizard. At this point, it is suggested to follow the steps on the screen, but you can skip the steps by pressing the control knob in to quit. At this point, we're going to go ahead and set up the auto leveling feature. To do this, press the control knob in to access the menu and select Prepare. Scroll down to the option Level Bed and press the control knob in to select. The printer will home the axes and begin lowering down to the bed assembly. Once the printer has probed all points on the bed, you will now set the Z-axis offset. Using the control knob, go back to the previous menu and select Control. Scroll down and click the option Z-axis offset. The Cadet will then set the axes to home and lower down to the printing height. It will then probe the bed once more and center on the build sheet. Using a piece of A4 paper, slide it between the nozzle and the build surface. Use the control knob to set the proper height for the extruder assembly to print. Press the control knob in and you are ready to print. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your new MP Cadet 3D printer. Enjoy your first mission to discovery. I'm Dimitri with Monoprice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out monoprice.com for all your 3D printing products and support.
At Formlabs, we create tools that help people bring their ideas to life. This is why we've developed the Form 1 Plus, the first high-resolution 3D printer designed to fit right on your desktop. You'll begin with Preform, software that prepares your model for printing. Then, choose from our library of resins, engineered for a range of functions from prototyping to investment casting. To start your print, simply push the button. Watch as a high-powered laser transforms liquid resin into a solid object. Once the print is complete, use our finish kit to rinse and remove the support structures. The process is simple. The results, professional. At Formlabs, we create tools for people who create the future.
Introducing the Ultimaker S5 Pro bundle. A combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high-build volume 3D printer, the Ultimaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The Ultimaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the Ultimaker S5 Pro bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.
I'm Bree Pettis, CEO of MakerBot, and today it is my distinct pleasure to present to you the latest addition to the MakerBot 3D ecosystem. The new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is a 5th generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy to use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob, and we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100-micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high quality, high resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We've upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.